So, good evening, guys. So, it's me again, John Mati Hardin. So, I will share to you my experience about the 16 personality I take the test. So, the result is mediator, guys. So, the mediators, I read the definition. All that is gold does not glitter. Not all those who wander are lost. The old that is strong does not wither. Deep roots are not bleached by the frost. So, my first experience, the test was very interesting and interactive. It asks many questions about how I think, feel, and behave in different situations. Instead of just yes or no, it used scale from agree to disagree, which make it more engaging. The design of the website is also colorful, easy to understand, so it feels like you're really involved while answering the question. Secondly, I think site trustworthy because my people around world use it to learn about their personality. The questions are also based from ideas in Myers-Briggs type indicator, which also known as personality theory used in psychology. Because of this website, the reliable and organized. Third, I believe results is believable after answering the question. My personality type result was mediator or INFPT. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. So the last I remember is INFP-PT. When I read the description, I talk about being imaginative, empathetic, and someone who like description and match my parts of my personality, especially being creative, caring about others. Fourth, sites come up with result by analyzing the AS scores, present different personalities, traits like introversion or extroversion, thinking or feelings, and judging or perceiving after calculating all the scores. System determine which personality type you the most. So my reaction to that, uh, finally my reaction. My reaction to that result was surprised but also curious. I felt interested, cause some description, behavior, and understand myself better. Personality tests are helpful for self-awareness, but they should not fully define what's because people can still grow and change. Personality test was a fun experience. It helped learn more about strength emotions and interact with people or for your listening. So let's answer the four questions. So the first question, guys, is what make the test interactive? So first, the test was very interactive because the background design was very colorful. While you are answering that test, it's make you feel that you are entering to that survey questions, like it's feel like from other person talking to you and asking that question. So second, do you think the site is trustworthy? Yes, according to my research, that the worldwide psychologists use that website to test the personalities. Perhaps the World Health organizations, according to my research, that it's 98 or 92% are accurate. So, do you think the result is believable? Yes, for me it's believable. No, for me because I'm not. So for me, for that website is empathetic, but me is maybe not because I'm arrogant. I'm I'm arrogant, judging others by their appearance. So that's for me. No, it's up to you. Why do you like it or not? So how did I come up with the results? So based on the survey questionnaires, that I answer, that's my answer is agree or disagree or neutral. So the answer result is based on my answer too. So what is my answer today is the website only calculate the percentage and search my personality. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching.